Most people think fasting is extreme, but what if I told you your body was designed to fast? Fasting, besides the chiropractic adjustment, is hands down the most powerful thing that you can do for your health. If you didn't eat any food for 1 day, 2 days, maybe 5 days, would you starve to death or would it heal your body? I remember the first time I did a 24-hour fast. It was maybe 10 years ago at a mindset camp. Now, I've always considered myself a skinnier guy. And when I got to this camp with 50 other chiropractors and a few of my mentors, the first thing they said was that we were all going to do a 24-hour fast. The thoughts of pure panic that ran through my head made me completely rethink why I would ever sign up for this. I thought I would surely die of starvation within these 24 hours. But then they started talking about the amazing benefits of fasting and how, because our society has such easy access to food, our bodies never benefit from fasting. The first thing that happens with fasting is that your body starts to get rid of glycogen, which is basically a chain of sugar attached to water. So people lose 1 to 3 pounds in the first day. Insulin starts to decline, resulting in your body burning fat instead of sugar. After 24 hours, your digestive system has now been given a rest. Therefore, your body actually turns off growth and turns on repair. This is where the magic really starts to happen. After 24 hours, a process called autophagy. This is where your body actually takes all the junk inside it and starts recycling it for fuel and for tissue repair. Ketosis starts to set in, where focus goes up, ability to learn and retain information goes up. These are just a few of the benefits of a fast within a day and a half. That's why I'm hosting a fasting reset workshop. This is a structured, educational, intentional reset that just walks you through exactly what happens inside your body day by day when food is removed and healing pathways turned on. Wednesday, February 25th at 6:15 here at Chiropractic First. Seated is limited, right, to 25 people to really keep this educational and personal. So I invite you to come and sign up. This workshop is for people who are just tired of feeling inflamed, tired of being dependent on food every few hours, and tired of a body that just feels older than it should. If you're ready to learn how to fast the right way, click the link below and reserve your seat now. Your body already knows how to heal. Sometimes it just needs you to stop interfering.